Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your current password on Facebook account. On Facebook, you don't have any option to check your current password. So just click Gmail or Google. It doesn't make any difference for Android or iOS. So for example, I open Google. Then click the profile, then manage your account. Then security and sign in. Scroll down. Here we have password manager. Click it. That's all the passwords. Save it in password manager. Scroll down and find Facebook. Just click it. Here we have a security check. It asks us to enter your password to verify it's you or not. So just insert your password. Next. Yes. Now it shows username and password. If you just click this I symbol, that is the password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.